paid for Ruel Reid's boat party? Was it the Caribbean Maritime University?
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There is more pressure on the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, as answers to questions about birthday parties and celebrations for resigned Education Minister Ruel Reid are being demanded. The question was first raised in the Upper House of Parliament on Friday, March 22nd, when suggestions were made that the Caribbean Maritime University played a key role in a party for the former minister on a yacht in the Kingston Harbour. On Monday, the 25th of March, former permanent secretary in the Education Ministry, Elaine Foster Allen, said it was her information that the Caribbean Maritime University paid for Reid's celebration. Photographs of Reid's party on the yacht in the Kingston Harbour in April of 2017 showed the Caribbean Maritime University president, Dr. Fritz Pinnock, and some of his students actively taking part. In a statement, the Caribbean Maritime University acknowledged allegations circulating in the media about the institution's involvement in some instances of impropriety. However, it did not specifically address the matter of Reid's party or any other, saying a probe was underway. On Wednesday, March 20, Reid was sacked by Prime Minister Andrew Holness amid corruption allegations. It is understood that the corruption involves the Caribbean Maritime University, the National Education Trust, and the High Trust National Training Agency. Reid, who also resigned as a senator, has reportedly denied any wrongdoing. The police are currently investigating the corruption allegations, while the Office of the Prime Minister has also launched its own review. In the meantime, the Prime Minister has assigned Minister without Portfolio Carl Samuda to the Education Ministry.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.